Are you looking for the best folding Electromobile 1200 watts electric bike 20? In this video we will look at some of the best folding Electromobile 1200 watts electric bike 20 on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Folding Electromobile 1200 watts 48 volts 17R 20-inch e-bike, peak 1500W brushless motor and 28 miles per hour max speed, 1200 watts. Peak 1500W fat tire electric bike offers effortless riding with its powerful brushless motor, reaching a top speed of 30 miles per hour. It easily conquers steep hills with its strong torque and 30 degrees incline capability, outperforming bikes with lower power motors. 350W/500W/750W. It can support riders up to 330 pounds. Leave traffic behind and enjoy the exhilaration of reaching your destination quickly. Number 2. 14 adult electric bike folding electric bicycle. Coming in 2024 electric bike 50 km per hour. 60 km autonomy. Direct production. M9 model. Actual dimensions: 130 cm long, 110 cm high, 55 cm wide. 8 reasons why you should buy from us. We are a direct manufacturer and provide the best service. AL certificate and ISO 9001 certification from the United States. Waterproof stainless steel material. 1-year battery. We have our own factory in Querétaro. Foldable, easy to operate, electric. Saves you a month, only 100 pesos per month in electricity bills. Can load 2 people. The basket is equipped with 6 armored shock absorbers, light brakes and a digital screen with mobile phone portal and rear view mirror. 3 speeds: 15 km per hour, 30 km per hour, 45 km per hour. A person weighing 90 kilograms can travel more than 60 kilometers independently. The feet are retractable, and the seat is wider and thicker. Number 3. Hot Sale 20-inch KF9 folding electric bicycle. 500 watts peak, 550 watts high-speed brushless motor provides e-bike max speed up to 25 miles per hour. 20x4 wear-proof fat tires fit for multiple terrains. Excellent grip and skid resistance. 75 newtons middle.m of torque. Precise and sensitive Shimano 7-speed shift gear, suitable for riding on beach, snow, rough terrain and street. High-performance lithium battery. A bike with 36 volts 13R removable large-capacity lithium battery, 4-6 hours fast charging. Key will firmly lock the battery to the frame. Don't worry it easily dropped or being stolen. Battery is removable, waterproof and convenient to bring home or office for charging. For long trips, you need a spare battery. Number 4. Electric scooter with seat, 450 watts powerful motor. USB interface for phone charging. LCD display screen, displaying battery level, speed, and mileage. Wheel size 14 2 rounds. Inflatable tire. 48 to 54.6 volts 10.4R lithium battery. Max range 21-27 miles. Charging time 5H. Rear wheel drive motor. 500 watts. Maximum speed of 35 km per hour. Single speed and single gear. Foldable body material. Iron. This can be omitted with seats. Rear shock absorber. Sprint shock absorption. Front shock absorber. Dual hydraulic shock absorber. Front headlights, rear tail lights, rear left and right turn signals. Front and rear dual disc brakes plus electronic brakes. Dual brake lever. Rear shopping basket. Maximum load bearing capacity 120 kg. Number 5. 1000 watts 48 volts electric bicycle. The electric bike for adults adopts 1000 watts high-speed brushless rear hub motor. It can reach a maximum speed of 30 miles per hour. 85 Newton meters of torque. Not only offers strong climbing power, ensuring excellent riding experience in the snow, beach, mountain, city road, but also it can satisfy your daily riding on all terrains. 1000W electric adult's bicycle is equipped with 48 volts 12.5 Ah smart waterproof battery, and high safety battery protection system, which has 4-5 hours fast charge. You can ride 35-40 plus miles on a full charge. The removable and hidden battery is convenient to take home or office for charging. You should not worry about riding on raining days.